Welcome to Elements of Fulfillment, a show that elevates your day-to-day performance. And today, we are talking about child-parent relationship. We also have a special announcement for you at the end of the show, so make sure you listen all the way through. This episode has been divided in 3 segments. We initiate with a brief introduction of the matter, followed by the crux and the conclusion. I'll be sharing my experiences as a child and how my parents transformed my life. If that sounds engrossing, let us begin. This is Season 1, Elements of Fulfillment, Episode 2, Child-Parent Relationship. If you ask me 5 tough jobs to do properly, parenting would be one of them. I am not a parent, but I can surely relate to how vulnerable they might be at times. This non-profit job is vague, unpredictable, and is filled with disappointments. Investing in a person's existence to his survival, a parent is just not running a charity. Parents expect and they owe to their child. Embellishment of a kid is one hell of a duty. As a kid, I always looked upon my parents as monsters. And actually, almost every kid once in his lifetime experiences this. Parents usually love their children eternally. And having an outburst on them is valid, natural, and okay. But young minds are easy to mislead. Declaring one instance as abuse, they entitle parents as traitors. They say expectations kill, but if a person is flushing their whole and soul to nurture an identity, they must have the opportunity to explain what they want and feel about their child. Apart from the classic expectations that the child turns out to be obedient and takes care of us in our old age, parents have a lot to say. What a genuine parent always strives for is to help grow their child decently and lead them to a secure lifestyle. Guiding the child through various aspects of humanity and world, helping them choose their favorite and appropriate path, and secretly leaning over so that they use our shoulders in order to climb up the hurdle. Parents sacrifice a lot. Most parents know it well. Why did they bring up a child to the world, and hence they are responsible? The way a child needs to be humble in the process of learning, similarly, the parent is expected to be patient when the child is an immature. The child-parent relationship, especially during the teenage, plays a crucial role. A child wants to be understood at all times. Growing internally, externally, emotionally, and mentally is just too much for a young soul to adapt. The right environment set up by parents in an open-minded way will always have your child perform excellently. Involving the child in every small and big decisions of the house is one thing to be noted. A parent must start sharing updates about their lives at regular intervals with their kids in order to increase the comfort. This might in turn result into the child sharing their experiences and secrets. An ideal parent always observes his child and has a brief idea of what the child might be interested into. Always make sure as a parent to not burden the child with career decisions, but at the same time, slowly and indirectly talk it out. Make sure that his interests are his true passion and consequently enlighten his path. It is the prime responsibility of a child to always intimate his parents about any kind of physical changes, especially abnormal ones. If the parent feels that the child is a bit shy and uncomfortable at sharing things, looking after a consultant might be a good option. Your openness is the mold and the child is a clay. Be comfortable and things will always go right. A teenager must have an all-round company. A company that includes the brilliant ones, the bullies, and the introverts. This indeed evolves one's thinking pattern, and making sure of this is parents' indirect responsibility. Give your child as much time as you can. The child must always have his parents available in order to seek solace. Rules of conduct are highly essential, but don't have a lot of them. Make sure the few rules which you have set are not redundant. Open-minded thought process, high rates of acceptance and forgiveness, importance in the family, and a lot of attention is what every teenager seeks. If you treat him right in the teenage, he's going to preach you forever. Times have changed. What is right and what is wrong has no universal definition. Finding faith and belief as a child in parents and as a parent in the eyes of a child is the need of time. This teenage period builds a lot of character, and at the end of the day, character always wins. I hope you like this podcast. I'd love to make a podcast on any one of your favorite topics. Find yourself comfortable at mailing me. Visit my website www.outgrowthx.com and view all the related articles. And here comes the special announcement. I am introducing a course on fundamentals of communication. This course is tailored for everyone from a beginner to a proficient. And I would love to invite you on this beautiful journey, which will be made available anytime soon in the upcoming podcasts and also my website. So stay tuned. Join me at my Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and the blog. The links of all are available on my website. Until then, cheerio.